Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Beau Burchell's snare gating trick by using stock plugins. In this case I'm gonna be using Studio One stock plugins to show you the trick. Beau Burchell is an American musician, record producer and audio engineer from Orange County, California. He is best known as the guitarist and backing vocalist in Southin'. The snare gating trick I want to show you today is taken from Beau Burchell's Southin' Silver String mixing course at Nail the Mix. So, if you want to become better at mixing metal music, you should definitely check out Nail the Mix, the best platform on metal production out there. So now, let's have a listen to our snare. So first of all, for our snare tab, we're gonna be using Studio One Stock Pro EQ. And here, as you can see, I boosted some lows around 100 Hz and I boosted some highs around 6 kHz. Then we're gonna duplicate our Pro EQ. And now our top snare has two Pro EQs with the same settings. Now let's go and duplicate our snare tab. So here now we have our duplicated snare tab. And again, since we duplicated our snare tab, we have our Pro EQ where we boosted some lows and highs. Then we have our duplicated Pro EQ again where we boosted some lows and highs. So now on our duplicated snare tab, before our EQs, we're gonna be using Studio One Stock compressor. So our compressor settings are attack 10 milliseconds, release 5 milliseconds, threshold minus 19 dB, ratio 20. So let's have a listen to our duplicated snare tab one more time. And at the end of our plugin chain, we have one more Pro EQ. And here we are cutting all lows and mids around 800 Hz. And finally, we have to go to our mixer window and flip the face on our duplicated snare tab. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.